When making measurements and layout tasks in busy environments, you encounter challenges that can jeopardize either the quality or speed of your tasks. Experience new heights in productivity with the Leica AP20 AutoPole, the ultimate smart solution for Leica Geosystems robotic total stations. When working on busy construction sites with several field crews and multiple instruments, it is crucial that your instrument remains focused on the most important thing, your target. The TargetID functionality, which provides automatic target search and identification, ensures that the total station finds your target as quickly as possible, even in the most challenging site conditions. Focus on your job and be unstoppable with the AP20 AutoPole, the world's smartest pole. Visit our website to learn more.